everyone. Good afternoon with another wonderful episode of A Piece of Life powered by Brain to Body Revolution. I, Supriya Nera, welcome each and every one of you, and with me is my lovely partner, Soumya.
Hello,
Hey,
guys.
Soumya.
Hey,
How are you? All great?
all good. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, guys, I guess we all were busy yesterday watching the cricket match. You too were?
Absolutely. Half
Yeah.
of the country was.
Yes, yes, yes. You cheered for India, we cheered for country, and at last the tip सारा पैसा वसूल हो गया because we actually won.
Yeah, absolutely. Manifestation is so strong.
Manifestation is so strong, When my husband asked, like before the match, I'm not a very cricket person. Do not do not watch the cricket matches so extensively. But when it is a World Cup and all, we do that. So we generally ask each other that what is it. So my husband asked me, though, who do you think, like, who's going to win? I said India, without any doubt. Said, how can you say with so much of conviction that India is going to win? मैंने कहा the first thing that came into my mind is definitely they are very talented. Everything is good. And apart from that, was one majority of thing which was in favor of them. So what was it, Soumya?
Home ground.
Home ground, the crowd. So the crowd, the home ground definitely mattered a lot. And with respect to all the cheers that was getting from the public, the clapping, the chanting, everyone was, yo, it's going to win, like we are going to win. And it happened also because like last matches were also in favor of India. And that's why it continued. The effect was continued, and hence we actually won the match. So
Exactly.
here today again, we are here with another topic that tells us that how important the association is,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah.
So Soumya, you know what? There is
Mm-hmm.
something called as social facilitation.
Mm-hmm.
That is a psychological term, that is psychological effect, which means that when you are in a society, men are actually meant for being in societies, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, if you're not men, also, if you look at the birds, they also live in flocks,
Yeah.
Fishes should swim, they also swim in the schools and all.
Yeah.
So, how it happens that every living being actually loves to be in group. There is so many things that we tell people that
Mm.
solitude is important, solitude is good, but at the end of the day, when there's solitude, you have enjoyed your solitude, then also you will go and lead the masses to tell them the thing, right? So
Absolutely.
associations and groups are so important. Because of this
Mm-hmm.
group energy, your confidence rises, there's a
Mm-hmm.
rush in the adrenaline, and your focus also increases. This
Right.
group actually, it creates that effect. What do you say, Soumya, about it? Yeah.
Yeah, we as animals, it's evolutionary based evidence as well that if you are in herd, if you are in a group, your survival rate goes up. If you're alone, the lone wolf always dies and the pack
Mm.
survives, right?
Pack
So
survives. Wolves also stay in packs, right?
yeah.
They hunt in packs.
Exactly. So it's from nature. It's taught by the nature that you have to be in a community of like-minded people, and that's when you're going to thrive and survive. So this association felicitation is what you said, right? Makes
Yeah.
absolutely sense to me. Yes, that's right. What more you
Yes.
got?
Yeah. So the thing is, doing hard things actually, when you're alone now, it seems hard to you.
Yep.
जैसे कि when we were in engineering and all, and we were preparing ना, अकेले अकेले नहीं, हम लोग groups में पढ़ा करते थे. तो it would have
Yeah.
been so fun and easy to do in the groups and all. So
Yeah.
we used to pick up the hardest of topics and we used to discuss in the groups, and then that thing was very easy for us. So
Yes.
whenever there is any hard thing, then we do in groups that actually get absorbed by us and we learn very fast.
It becomes a lot easier because you have that mirror neurons also working for you because oh, my friend is also studying, let me also study, kind of, else the motivation kind of goes down, so
Yeah,
makes
same
sense.
energy people, है ना?
Yeah.
And there is also Jim Rohn का जो saying है ना, this is very famous quote that you are the average of the five people you spend the most of your
Mhm.
time with. So
Yeah, yeah.
definitely the habits that influence there are certain habits that you want to develop, and if you are in
Mm.
a in a herd of people who are smoking, then you develop that habit. If you
Yeah.
are in a herd or in a group of people who are backbiting, then you will be the sixth person. And
Yes.
if you are in the group of people who are progressive thinking, who have a common goal, then those people actually progress high in their life, है ना. उनका
Absolutely.
बहुत उनका जो सारा का सारा जो सिस्टम होता है ना, बॉडी का पूरा मैकेनिज्म है ना, वो पूरे
Mm,
ग्रुप के हिसाब से फील करता है, वो उसके हिसाब से ग्रो करता है. सो व्हेन
mm,
यू आर इन ग्रुप, यू राइज द ऑक्सीटोसिन लेवल डेफिनेटली गेट्स risen on your body. You get
mm.
constant dopamines ki wow, that person has shared something, you have shared something, that person has brought up some wonderful idea, you have said ha ye idea sahi hai, you
Yeah.
also bring up something, so that
Mm,
creates a group energy. And because of that, your constant dopamines ke karan your serotonin also
mm.
rises. And
Yeah.
that is how you do things, the difficult tasks and all, in groups. That's
Mm-hmm.
why the Team India also won, and that's why so many group games now, they have got lot of energy, and the entire atmosphere gets changed because everything is about energy. When
Yeah.
you actually focus on the energy around you, you will
Mm.
be get influenced, and that thing you also brought in the another podcast, which is called social contagion.
Ah, emotional contagion. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so just like that emotional contagion, there is something called social contagion also. So
Mm.
when you are in a group, in a herd of people, automatically by talking to the people of higher energy or lower energy, you will actually catch that, right?
Mm.
So
Mm.
that is so contagious. So now, why I'm talking about this is, Soumya, this will be so easy for everyone to continue and to start the process of fasting with
Yeah.
our fasting program that we are actually coming up with.
So beautifully linked. Yeah. You make sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes lot. Last wala fasting program में the people shared extensively about this, that due to the group energy we could do so much and we could
Mm.
reduce so much of weight, and we were so focused and consistent with the practices that we were giving them, right?
High energy also, right, Supriya? They said high energy, more of focus, more of, they did not feel hunger also is what
No,
many of
they
them
did
have
not.
quoted at that time. Yeah.
Yeah, there was a lot of discipline, है ना?
Mm.
And due to the fasting process, their body system also get cleansed. And
Yeah.
this, when you do alone ना, अगर आप अकेले करते हो, and then if you are in a group of people who are fasting is all about, like nowadays people think ना fasting is about fried foods, eating lot of
Mm.
high calorie things. अगर आप ऐसे लोगों के साथ फास्टिंग कर रहे हो, तो आप
Mm.
भी वही पकौड़े और समोसे, लाइक व्रत वाले पिज्जा, व्रत वाले पकौड़े खाओगे, and that is actually harming your body.
Yeah.
So when you are in a place where the people around you are so progressively thinking about having about actually kind of detoxing your body, है ना, उसके
Mm.
अंदर से जो टॉक्सिन्स आपके बाहर निकल रहे हैं, आपका
Mm.
फोकस लेजर शार्प हो रहा है, and then your manifestations are working because we all certain, we all have certain weight goals also. That is a major or majority of part of the, the dreams have got this major, your dream is actually having a
What?
perfect body weight, right? So
Mm.
like that. So when you are focused and when you channelize your energy with all sort of people who have this kind of thinking, progressive thinking, the fasting process actually becomes very smooth and very easy for you.
Yeah. I absolutely loved that's the way you started it. Like when you said it's easier to do the hard things in the group. So fasting is one of the most toughest thing that you can do for your body willingly, right? This fasting is something that you have chosen. Going being on hunger is very hard, and you said it very beautifully that if you want to do something hard, you know it's hard for you. You be with people who do it and kind of normalizes it for you. So yeah, this is a good way of telling why you have to do fasting in a group. That's fantastic, Supriya.
And yeah, and Soumya, apart from that, have you seen this? Nowadays, there's a culture of doing bhajans together. Youngsters are combining and doing bhajans together.
Yeah,
Why
band
that?
bhajans,
That is also because of the group energy. People are leaving
uh,
the those
clubs.
toxic things like smoking and all that, and they are combining the people with high energy and doing bhajans and all in groups.
Yeah, yeah.
Why do you think that people do kirtans and bhajans and all
I
those satsangs in groups?
elevate your energy because
That
those
elevates your energy and that keeps you focused also,
focus.
and
Yeah,
your vibrations get amplified, energies get amplified here. That is how your manifestation process also works.
absolutely. Yeah, make absolute sense. Yeah, make absolute sense.
So, guys, if you really want to, cater to the process that we have this program for you, and you can change your life by joining this program, not in solitude, not in solace, but come do this fasting program with us. You will come to know that how beautifully, without sweating out, you will be able to get the desired shape of your body, that the thing that you want. If you want to install a discipline in your life, then also you can do that. And if you have certain dire manifestations can happen if you are particularly wanting something to get in your life. So that is
Beautiful.
what I actually wanted to discuss you today about.
Beautiful. The way you have linked the studies, the research, the social contagion, the social felicitation, and with the fasting, why you have to do fasting in group, and why many people go on these committed fastings. So Supriya, they wake up and they're like, okay, from today I'm going to do intermittent fasting,
They
and
are not
three
able
days
to,
down
huh?
the lane they are like, oh no, my like the social party came up and I gave in. So
Yeah,
does it happen when you are in
this
a
kind
group
of thing
setting?
doesn't happen.
Because
Yeah.
you will see others are doing and you will not want to break halfway. You will be like, if
Yes.
they can do it, if they had a challenge and they overcame it by doing some some solution, I can also. So this is very good. Like, I really really enjoy
And
the
people are
work.
there to pull you also, na?
Yeah,
You're falling down. Someone is there in the tribe to pull you. Come on, do it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I left these things, है ना? मैं भी नहीं खा रही हूँ, तो आप भी करो. बहुत अच्छे से करो. हो जाएगा, करो. And that gives you energy to continue with the process. Otherwise, so many people give up, and in between, and they get into food habits and all. So नहीं. अगर आप किसी तरह का भी intermittent fasting भी करना चाहते हो, and maybe you are choosing this Navratri time to start the process, then please come on and you will be hugely benefit. And Soumya, apart from all these things, apart from the fasting thing and everything, the group that we have now, the people in the people who live in groups and all, they that increases your longevity also, na?
don't
In
you?
Ikigai, we have studied that,
Yeah,
right?
and there
The
are a lot of
Japanese people live
research
in
also.
Moai. Yeah, and in the blue zones also, so many countries are there, na? जैसे Greece हो गया, Italy हो गया, वहां पर people live in some
Group.
such kind of communities, ना? तो वहां पर association में रह के अपने आप ही उनकी longevity भी increase हो जाती है. So
Absolutely.
that the joining the B2B tribe is the biggest and greatest way to increase your longevity also.
And a bestest investment. I mean, we are very health conscious, we are very mindset conscious, we are building our mind, and we are having this holistic approach. So people who believe in holistic approach, who know that you are just not just your health, you're not just your wealth, and you're not just your relationships or whatever, this is the right place. And people here are absolutely amazing. They are driven, they are motivated, and they're seeing transformation every day. So definitely, Supriya, your call, I mean, will be heard. And whoever is feeling fasting, and definitely everyone should fast, give that pause, give that rest, right? Because that's the law of nature. Pause is a
Yes.
need of the nature as well. So come learn the right art of fasting. It's actually an art. Like, you have to learn this art. So we are thrilled, we are excited. Thank you so much, Supriya, for kind of linking it and giving that essence, the science behind why it has to be group, what our ancestor did by default, explaining that in detail in with respect to science and studies and research. Thank you so much for throwing light on that. I'm learning something. I learned three words: social felicitation, social contagion, and high. The thing that, if you, the guy who gave that
The guy who gave that name, yes.
yeah,
Actually, we knew that particular thing, but we call Jim Ron.
Jim Ron. Thank you, Jim Ron. We have been using you. We have been quoting you so much.
Yes,
Today we
I
got it.
had read it for the first time in Robin Sharma's book. So yeah, since then we have been using it extensively. But then I myself did not know about the person's name. So thank you so much, Jim, for giving this. And we can actually see this. So हमें बहुत बार बोला जाता है ना कि if there are people in your group, people are obese, then you will be the sixth one. आप भी obese हो जाते हो, अपने आप ही हो जाते हो. So that's how. So come join the Brain to Body Revolution's fasting program, and you will be continuously monitored. You will be actually experiencing a high lifetime where you will be getting all the things that done for you, where people share the fasting meal, support each other, practice devotion, and raise our energies together. There'll be meditations, a lot of things are there, and we will actually not tell you right now. You just have to come here, contact us, and then we reveal the entire process to you. So please join us for the all round transformation of your body, your mind, and complete gut.
Thank you so much, Supriya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. If this resonates with you, come join us this Navratri. Our links are there in the Instagram. There are so many testimonials which are there in the Instagram. You can go and check up on that. We have got lot many things in our regarding to fasting in our podcast also. Please visit the podcast and you'll be coming to know about the scientific way we do the fasting process. We carry out the fasting process in Brain to Body Revolution. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to us. Come up with another topic tomorrow and stay blessed, guys. Thank you so much for watching the podcast. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. See you.